morning. It's February 26th. Just loading up the boat. We're gonna go to it's a little reservoir right by the house. It's Hollis Lathem Reservoir. The bass are crazy right now. Last tournament weighed in at, I think it was like 23 pounds. Very, very successful tournament for them. So we're gonna go check it out today. See y'all there. First cast, and I go to just a normal cast, and the rod just broke. It just shattered. Wow. Okay, that's not a good start. Yep, there's one. Dang, he hit. Look at that rock. See it over there? Oh, yeah. It's pretty awesome right here. It's a little chilly though. Just a little bit. See? Yeah. We were moving too quick. There's fish. He came, followed you right to the boat. Got him? Look at that. Man, you've watched him follow you. Not big. He wanted it. Set it. Got him? That's a pretty good one. You want me to lift him? You flip him in. Aight. Man, he's hooked bad too.
Right out here on the edge, dragging it slow.
Where are you?
Yep.
You wanna hold him?
Huh?
Wanna hold your fish?
No.
How long? How long you think?
14.
13 on the dot.
Yeah.
Yep. There he went.
Right here. Huh? You better set it.
God almighty. That might be a good fish.
Don't fight him. Don't.
Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good spot.
Give him time. Oh my crap. Give him time.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Dude, that's a good spot.
It is.
Dang. Yes.
Measure him real quick.
You got him? Oh my God, I'm so happy.
16 inches.
Let me see him.
That's a pig out here.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. Sweet. There we go.
Back down.
Yeah, I pulled him off this stump right here. And I fought him right to the boat, and then he just dropped it. And I dropped that worm right back down and hooked him. Good fish. Here, take my picture real quick. Man, you've been on texting on your phone. That's a pretty good fish.
Put your hat on or leave it like you are.
It don't matter. Sweet, good fish. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Awesome.
Are you catching that right here?
Yeah, but I wasn't even. Awesome. That's what I needed right there. I picked up the wrong dang rod.
finally.
Don't catch one like that, Dad.
That weighed more than both years.
Hey,
Oh gosh. Woo. Barely. Meet me at the ramp.